every Thursday at 12 noon, we are hosting the advanced negotiation workshop. And Alex, every Thursday, he's the main host on this contract negotiations. So Alex, what's the main thing when we represent buyers or clients? What's the main thing that typically our competitors are missing out, and what is our strength as far as when we represent clients from the context of contract negotiation?
Context of contract negotiations, typically what we deal with, what we see in the marketplace a lot of times is you have a name of a buyer, you have a price, and you have a sale. Right? But those are generally what happens every single few different standardized. What we're taught in the team here is that you understand the tools that you have available to you, you understand what comprises a contract, what contract law is. Ideally, you can tweak things to make yourself stand out so that you're not competing upon the same things that everybody else is.
Yeah, so what's favorable to our clients, depending if we work with buyers, depending on we work with the sellers, depending if there's multiple offers or not. It depends many cases. When we represent our buyers' clients, the objective is to get them their home. Right, so we're gonna do whatever it takes to make sure we get our clients their dream home. Okay, so today eavesdrop a little bit into our advanced contract negotiation strategy. Anything specific? What's the plan for today? What are you gonna be specifically be covering today?
Today, I'm thinking about probably going through some of the addendums that we don't see as often, just so that we understand that the first time we do see it isn't the first time ever. Anyways, you don't want to be learning in the transaction. You want to actually have some kind of background as far as what it is.
All right, let's get started.